Alright, I like what you got there. Let me show you what I got. Check this out. Bring the bass line.
Hey everyone, today in this video, we will create this type of creative effect in Filmora 14. Keep watching. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upcoming video. First, keep all your footage and music on the timeline. Then select the music and right-click on it, and select Beat Detection, which will add beat markers on your music track. Then right-click again and select Beat Options and change the highlight every to 2 beats. Then select the first footage, go to the speed, and then to speed ramping. Select Montage, then do some manual adjustments to match the footage to the third beat makers. Then select the second footage and select Customize, and adjust the speed ramp graph so that the footage starts fast and slows down and then speeds up again. Also make sure the clip stays between the third and fourth beat markers. See the preview. Looking good to me. Now adjust the rest of the clips similarly. Now we will add some effects. For that, place the playhead at the start and go to the effect and search for directional blur, and then apply the directional blur effect on the intersection point of clips 1 and 2. Then trim the effect from the start, and then after 19 frames, keep the directional blur for 19 frames only, and delete the trimmed parts. Now zoom in on the timeline, select the effect and change the direction to 90, then on blur length keyframe and set length to 0, then in the middle change blur length to 20, then at the end change it to 0 and adjust the keyframe position. Then copy the directional blur effect and paste it on the rest of the intersection points, and your whole timeline should look like this. Now we will add transitions, go to the transitions, search for slow flip, and apply it on the first and second clip intersection, and then change the transition duration to 15 frames. Then search for vertical shake transition, then apply it on the second and third clip intersection point, and change the duration to 10 frames, apply vertical shake on the rest of the intersection point, and keep it for 10 frames only. Now we will add another effect. Go to the effects and search for Luma Sharp, and apply it on a new track and stretch it to match the effect duration. Now let's see the preview. That easy and simple to edit on beats in Filmora. Download Filmora from the link in the description and get 45% off. See you in the next video.
CJ, never gotta roll with ice. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the bits. Boy, when I drove